What is the most common excuse people give for not writing a will?
Oh, I'm not old yet. It's fine. It can just wait.
Oh, God. How early is too early to make a will?
It's never too early to make a will.
So under 18 भी बना सकते हैं?
No, you must be 18.
Okay, so must be 18?
Must be 18.
Must be 18, okay. Paper will or digital will?
Well, paper will, which will be stored safely, but then you will always have like obviously an online copy, but not like the budget DIY online wills.
Online, ji, bilkul. If you could give one golden rule about inheritance planning, what would it be?
Okay, well, you would have to go to an estate planner for this, but what I would say is obviously, they can assist you with setting up trusts, mentioning lifetime gifts and other ways of, obviously which are beneficial to you.
Okay. If you could leave only one thing in your will, what it would be? कि कुछ भी छोड़ दें कि ये will में नहीं होता या इसको छोड़ दूं, इसको will में ज़रूरत ही नहीं है.
अच्छा, something that's not
compulsory.
Oh God, to be honest with you, everything is compulsory.
Everything is compulsory.
Even like your funeral wishes, every little thing is, I feel is essential.
Everything is. What should come first, writing a will or throwing your retirement party?
Oh, definitely writing a will.
What is tougher, writing a will or convincing your relative about it?
Oh, I think definitely convincing your relatives, because I feel South Asian community, they don't really like discussing this topic.
Yes.
So I think this is the most difficult thing.
This is the most difficult. If someone leaves their house on their cat in a will, is that even legally possible?
Sorry, say that again.
Yeah.
If
someone leaves their house to their cat in a will, sorry. Like ये जो मेरा घर जो सारा है ये मेरी बिल्ली का है.
Well, I've not had one like that before, so that's an interesting one.
Because I saw a documentary on Netflix that someone left their everything to a dog.
Wow.
And the dog was a boss, and everyone, like उसकी नस्ल दर नस्ल जो है ना, डॉग की जो ब्रीड सारी होगी वो ये सब कुछ उसका है. मतलब एक बंदा बहुत मिलियनेयर था और वो सब कुछ अपने कुत्ते के नाम लिख के चला गया.
That one I'm going to have to look into as well, because as far as I'm concerned, it definitely has to be a human being.
See, like
yes.
कुछ लोगों को होता है पेट से ज़्यादा मोहब्बत होती है. Okay. Mentioning your favorite child in a will, smart move or family disaster?
Well, look, at the end of the day, this is why a will is created, because you can do whatever you want. If you want to just give everything to your favorite child, it's going to be as you wish.